مامۆستا چۆن بە ئینگلیزی ئەمریکی بڵێم ماستاو مەکە. Let's translate it directly. Don't make yogurt water. But once again, your American friends won't know what you are talking about because unless they have visited Kurdistan, they don't know what Mastaw or yogurt water is. Badakhwa, they are missing out on this delicious drink. So, are there ways to communicate the meaning of Mastaw Maka in English? Yes, but most of them are a little rude. Here is one that you can use. For Mastaw Maka, you can say don't be a kiss-up. For example, if you want to say Lai mudiraka Mastaw Maka, you could say don't be a kiss-up around the boss or don't kiss up to the boss. So you can use kiss up like a noun like Mastaw chi, don't be a kiss up, or as a verb when you add to and an object. Don't kiss up to kakama.